Hello passionate gardener, welcome back to my channel again. Hope you are doing a great gardening this summer. It's great to have look after your plant. I just repotted few tomato plants, which is very healthy at this moment, and it's a big pot. I had done a different video. I'll share the link in the description, and I'm not going to all details like taking out this pot. We'll make it quick. I take this out already the same way I did it for tomato. There are a few things to remember that when you are planning to repot the plant, make sure you stop giving the water in that pot for a day or two, just to make sure the soils are getting dried, so it's easy to take out. The soil is moist and it says water, it would be difficult to take it out, and there might be more impact to the root system. So take it out properly. I did that, and repotting in the pot, which is like bit bigger than that. It was in the same pot actually, but what I did, like the soil was until this, like not much. So I take it out, fill the soil a bit around like you can see, like probably around 4 inch of soil, and I'm going to mix some eggshells, which is good for the plants. A little bit of calcium, not much, a little bit of calcium, and going to repot this. That's it. So that will be very quick. And you see, like I already have the soil ready. This soil, I just take out some of the soil, make sure that this little bit of loose, this have little bit of roots coming up, the rose roots. I'll just take this soil a bit loose, because this already is very hard here. As I said, I stop giving water because of that I don't impact the root much, because if it is it will be easy to take out from the pot as well. So just take some of the stones that is not helpful for the rose. So anyway, so it's done actually. Like there are some roots I can see here and there. It's only thing that it need more space to grow. So I have done this portion of it. I just would like to take a little bit of break this side, because like I want this pot to be in middle of this pot. It was in the corner before. You can see like this is already grown in the corner. If I take this out, it will give me some more space, and that's what I'm going to do with this. So it might hamper a bit in the root, but you can see there's not much root in this area. So that's the good part. I'm taking out these stones from here as well. Yeah, so that's actually it. I don't want to hamper much on the plant side. Take out some of the soils, and we'll do this. Yeah, that's it actually. So this should be in the middle. Yeah, it's in the middle. So it's all my reason for doing this thing. So it's still hold still, put the soil around this. So you can put some fertilizer. I already use in that bottom side is the multi-purpose compost, and that will give a moisture retention on the soil. So I'm going to put this soil around this. So the soil I'll be putting around this portion, so that a little bit of above the ground, so that like roots are all under the soil and does not got the direct sunlight, because it might impact the root system. So that's why we can repot any plant, not only rose. I did that for just now in the tomatoes. You can see the tomatoes are in the big pot. It was in a small pot, like little bit bigger than this, and I repotted them, and that's fine. They should be okay. I did it before many times, and that's why based on my experience I'm just sharing this with you, so that don't afraid of repotting. If you need to, don't like there is some saying like you probably need to wait until the summer when the plants are dormant, but in this case it's fine. Like they would be okay, unless you are hampering the root system much. I'm just making it straight, so it's not in the different ways of looking. So I'm going to fill that up. I'm going to put some mulching on top of it, which I used to do. You can use some poultry mulch here. This is very good for the plants like roses and tomato and pepper, or any fertilizer, like try organic fertilizer like eggshells, banana peels, etc, etc. So if you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, I'll end it here. See you later. Happy gardening, passionate gardener. Bye bye.